Welcome to the Haldia Institute of Dental Sciences and Research. Here's what you can expect when you visit us for dental care. First, you'll register at our reception desk, where we record essential details like your name, address, and contact number. Next, you'll proceed to our oral medicine department for an initial diagnosis. Here, our specialists will document your medical history, current symptoms, and chief complaints. Based on your diagnosis, you'll be referred to the appropriate department for treatment. In this case, our patient was concerned about discoloured teeth and was referred to our periodontics department. There, she received ultrasonic supragingival and subgingival scaling to thoroughly clean her teeth. At Haldia Institute of Dental Sciences and Research, we ensure a seamless and effective dental care experience from start to finish. Your smile is our priority.